Before we practice how to prepare MAR, practice different types of doctor's orders, let's go over quickly what we have learned so far. We said that what the major responsibility that you're going to have as a medtech is to observe the residents. In other words, you're in charge of their health. It is your job to watch them so that if there's a problem, if there's any change, physical change or behavioral change, you're going to do number 2, report your observations. You're going to report to your delegating nurse. Okay. You're also going to help in assisting the doctors, assisting during doctors' visits. Either the doctors will come to the home to visit the residents, or you will take them on a doctor's visit to the doctor's office. Okay. If there is a need for a new prescription or a discontinuation or any kind of doctor's order, whether to continue a particular medication or to stop it, change it to another prescription, you're going to get a prescription. The doctor will write a prescription. When you get home from the doctor's office, well, before you leave the doctor's office, I said earlier, you must make sure you understand the prescription. Understand and make sure the order is complete. Do you see the name of the medication? Do you understand it? What is the dosage? What is the route? What is the frequency? What is it for? Do you understand that before you leave the office? Do you have any questions for the doctor? Okay, you understand it, so you go home. When you get home, the next thing you're going to do is prepare MAR, and we're going to do that after this. You're going to prepare the MAR. You're going to obtain the medication from pharmacy. You're going to fax the original doctor's orders to the pharmacy that your company uses, whether it is Walgreens or CVS, or you will know which company supplies your medication. You will fax the original doctor's order to them. They will fill the prescription and deliver it to you. If they have a question about the prescription, they will call the doctor. When you receive the prescription, you're going to store the medication safely. And we said if it goes in the fridge, it should be in a box that is locked inside the fridge that only you, the CMT, have the key to. If it is to store medications according to their similarity, inhalers together, eye drops together, and so on and so forth. When it's the right time, when it's time to pass medication, you're going to go administer your medication correctly. That's number 6. You're going to follow the 6 rights. You're going to check to make sure that it's the right person, right medication, right dose, right time, right route, and the right documentation. When you give medication, well, you have to make sure that they take the medication before you walk away, and that's number 7. You're going to ensure medication is taken, or medications are taken. You tell them to open their mouth. Did they swallow it? Because sometimes they don't. They will hold it in their mouth, and when you walk away, they will spit the medication out. So you want to make sure that they have swallowed the medication. You're not forcing them, you're just going to encourage them. Then the last thing you're going to do is to document. If you don't document, that means it wasn't done. You can do all your work and you don't document, that means you didn't do it. So you're going to document correctly, and we're going to have examples of how to document correctly. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is to look at sample doctor's orders.